Welcome, my dear viewers, to my cooking channel. I'm Marlene Korea here. Today I'm going to make a very lovely cabbage dish, and it's very easy and quick to prepare. Okay, now let's have a look at the ingredients. This is one small cabbage, finely chopped, washed, okay, and kept ready to prepare. Now these are the other ingredients. I have about 8 to 10 small garlic cloves which I smashed, and you don't have to worry about peeling the skins off. Only the roots I have taken out. Understand? Like this. And I have a few chopped green coriander leaves, a few curry leaves. Then this is the small variety mustard. This is the cumin seeds. This is the powdered pepper, homemade, okay? And then you have finely chopped 2 green chilies. This is the garlic, salt. I will start now the preparation. I'll keep it on medium flame. Let the vessel get hot. Okay, I start the preparation, and as you know that I always use coconut oil for my cooking. Okay, so this is the teaspoon that I use, so I'll put 4 to 5 teaspoons. I don't mind because coconut oil is not bad. Now let the oil get hot. Once the oil gets hot, I will put mustard seeds. See, you can hear it spurting. Then I put little cumin seeds. You just use your fingers. Then I put this garlic cloves. It has to be fried. After the garlic is fried, I put the curry leaves. Then immediately the oil is hot, so I put the green chili. Okay. Now comes the vegetables. Let the flame be medium. And remember, I have washed the cabbage and drained it. Now, just putting salt to taste. Half a teaspoon only, don't use more. Now keep stirring, no adding water. And don't even cover the vessel. That's why I have used a little more coconut oil. You know, while eating this cabbage, you can garnish with curds. I made homemade curds. And that is for eating. Let it get cooked. It's almost cooked. Now this is the time to sprinkle pepper powder. This is the small teaspoon I use in my masala dabba. So one heaped is enough. And remember, I have not added water, absolutely no water. It's cooked in its own water, and I will keep it further till the pepper gets mixed with the vegetable. I'll keep it for another half a minute and put it off. It's done. Wait, let it cook for half a minute. And don't cover it, okay? So when the cabbage becomes little cool, then you can cover it. It's done. And put it off and let it be in the vessel, because with that heat, it gets cooked. You don't cover it. When you eat it, then you will understand the taste of the garlic, pepper, and the crunchy feeling of the cabbage. Is awesome. Understood? Put it off. Now I will garnish with coriander leaves. Not much. I have cut much because I am going to do one more dish. That's enough. Yes. See, I can actually smell the aroma, Safra. Lovely. Yes. And you know, my dear viewers, you have two options before eating this. You either garnish with fresh grated coconut, or while you are eating, you garnish with curds. Now, since I have fresh homemade curds, today I am not going to garnish it with scraped coconut. I'm just, while eating, I will garnish it with fresh curds. It's awesome. Thank you. And please put in your comments for better or for worse.